Hello, this is Brandon Mond from Mond Studios. Just wanted to make a video on how to schedule a lesson using our website. First thing is you'll go to mondstudiosmusic.com, and once you're there, you'll go to the Schedule a Lesson tab. And from here, you'll just fill out the student information form. If you're the parent, the next page will be your information. Once that's finished, you'll get an email giving you a login and password that you can use to access your account going through the student login. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to your dashboard, which will look like this. The features here is the first one is the calendar. The calendar will show you where your lesson's at, if you've already scheduled. If you have not, you can actually schedule from this site, this page. So you'll just basically go to the date that you see and time that's open of your instructor. You can click on it and click on the register. And here you'll have two options: register for this open only. The very first lesson, this is totally fine. We usually do the first lesson without being committed to a whole month. After that, if you want to continue, what we do is we just ask you to hold on to that spot for the month, and you don't have to do any more than a month at a time, but that's also how we take our payments. It's 1 month prepaid at a time. So once you've selected either one of these, you'll just hit the button register, and that's it. Other features, if you need to contact us, we have our phone number here, address, and email. And then, of course, whichever instructor you choose will be listed down here. And if you need to pay an invoice or look at your balance, you can access this from the account invoices. And the invoices button right here will show you if you have any invoices that need to be paid or have been paid. Here you can download the invoice or just open to see it. Again, this should be in a PDF form. Alright, and again, it has a clickable link right here. Click here to pay online. You can use credit card. You can also use PayPal. Our next feature is attendance and notes. So this right here will keep a record of your attendance as far as when you have made the lesson or how many times you've missed lessons. Any notes from the teacher can also be displayed here. And the lending library, we do rent guitars here, and so if you do have a guitar out for rent, it will be listed what you have here. Also any kind of books as well. If we have, if the teachers let you borrow any books, this will be listed here as well. Online resources. This right here will be for any kind of documents that the teacher has uploaded for the student that they want them to be able to access. And then we have practice log. This right here, two options you can use. You can, whenever you start practicing, hit the start timer, and then just stop it whenever you're done practicing, and then they'll record your practice session. Or you can just manually enter in from when you started to when you stopped as well. The repertoire tab just basically gives you a list of songs that you've worked on, so you can kind of keep track what you've accomplished. In your email history, this will be things like reminder emails. You'll see those here. You'll also see invoice emails, and any kind of communication between you and the teacher. If you need to look back at a particular email, this is where you would see that. And that is all we have on the software there. So again, if there's any questions, you can always give us a call at 405-720-7877 or email us at maughan8@gmail.com. That's MAUGHAN 8@gmail.com. Thank you.